Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be using the brand new Anastasia Norvina Vol.2 palette, and I'm also going to be using one of the brand new Anastasia of Beverly Hills glitters. I got this in PR the other day and I felt like I was so tempted to just use it right away. I absolutely fell in love with all the colors in the palette, super unique, and I of course had to do something really artistic because all of the colors and shades in this collection are super vibrant. But yeah, as always guys, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So this is the Abh Norvina Volume 2 palette, and I really like the packaging. I like how it's kind of like a metal because it doesn't get dirty easily, and these are the shades right here. Super pigmented, super easy to blend. They aren't too powdery. I actually really like the formula of these. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I personally have to use concealer as a primer. I just think that it works best for me, so I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and then I'm setting it with some translucent powder. And the first shade that I'm going into is this shade right here called A2. And it's a really vibrant neon yellow green shade. And I'm just popping this into my crease. And as you can see, it's super pigmented. And I'm just basically laying this down right smack in the center of my crease. And then with whatever I have left over on my brush, I'm just diffusing those edges and just making sure that everything's nice and blended. But as far as the shape goes, I'm just kind of following the natural curve of my crease. And I'm going to be doing something really different and super artistic for today's look. It's not necessarily a wearable look, but I just felt like having fun with all these colors. So next I'm going into the shade B3 and this angled Morphe brush. And we're just going to be applying some definition into our crease. So I'm just going to be drawing a line of definition in my crease. And if you guys don't have an angled brush that you like, I recommend the Colourpop E6 brush is the one that I normally always use, or I use this one by Morphe. It does not have a number on it because it's from a brush collection. So just look for the brush collection with the matte black and gold handle. And then I'm going into the same shade and this fluffy brush, and we're just going to be going in left and right motions directly over top of that line just to diffuse that line. And try to be really specific about the way that you blend that out, because if you blend too high up, it's going to be really hard to correct that. So I like to keep it super low, just going in left and right motions over top of that line. And then next I'm going into the shade C4 with the same brush, and I'm just drawing another line of definition, this time only in the center of the crease. And this is going to give us some more dimension, some more depth, and I'm going to start to kind of do a halo eye. So I just kind of wanted that depth to only be in the center of my crease. And then I'm going into a small tapered brush. And first I picked up the green shade and I just went in left and right motions. And then I picked up a little bit of that same dark navy blue shade and picked it up and just diffused it even more, just to give us a nice and beautiful gradient. And then next I grabbed this angled brush. This one's by ABH, and I picked up some more of that NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop contouring concealer, and I'm just carving the center half of my lid and also setting my lid as well, just prepping it for the next shades that we're going to be applying. And I of course set this with some translucent powder just so that nothing would budge and that we could easily blend colors over top of it. So don't forget to set that concealer with some translucent powder. And then I'm going into this brand new Anastasia of Beverly Hills glitter, and I believe the shade is New Wave, I think, or no, Color Wave. I'll leave the name of it down below, but it's a really beautiful lime green glitter. It's absolutely stunning. So I went in with an angled brush and I just drew a glitter crease, and then I just grabbed the same glitter with this flat brush, and I'm just patting this all over the lid, primarily focusing this on the very center, and then with whatever I have left over on the brush, just diffusing those edges, just focusing the glitter in the center though. And then I'm grabbing this small tapered brush and that lime green shade in the palette. And I'm just starting to feather that inward, and we're just going to start to build our halo eye. So next I'm going into the shade C4 with this really detailed pencil brush, and we're just going to start to add that to the very inner and outer corner, and I'm keeping it super low, and I want to kind of have a gap between that outer and inner corner and that crease. I just think that, I don't know, it's kind of like an artistic thing that I wanted to do. And then I grabbed that same small fluffy tapered brush and that green shade, and we're just kind of feathering it inward, primarily focusing these shades on the very inner and outer corner, trying to create a nice gradient inward. And I don't know, I really like the way that this look turned out, super different than anything that I've done so far. And then I grabbed the same angled brush and that dark blue navy shade, and I'm just starting to draw a liner on that outer corner only. And then of course I wanted to blend it out, so I picked up that small fluffy tapered brush and that green shade, and we're just kind of going in left and right motions, diffusing that shade. And then we're going to be peeling off our tape. And for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. If you guys want to check out a cruelty-free brand and a Faux Mink brand, the link to our lash company will always be down below in the description box. And then for our lower lash line, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the top lashes. So I'm just grabbing that lime green shade and just focusing that on the inner and outer corner, and then grabbing the same pencil brush with that dark blue navy shade and just focusing that on the inner and outer corner as well, and then going into the lime green glitter and just popping that onto the center. And then for mascara, I picked up my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm, and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for our inner corner highlight, I just picked up my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight, and then I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!